Understanding Doubt Oneself, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, doubt oneself. Understanding this phrase is not just about its dictionary meaning. It's about how it's used in everyday conversations and various contexts. So, let's get started and unravel the nuances of this interesting expression. Doubt oneself refers to lacking confidence in one's abilities or decisions. It's a feeling we've all experienced at some point. When someone says they doubt themselves, they're expressing uncertainty about their capabilities or choices. This phrase can be used in both professional and personal contexts. To understand doubt oneself better, let's look at some examples. I doubt myself whenever I have to speak in public. I'm afraid of making mistakes. She's doubting herself because she got negative feedback at work. In these sentences, the phrase is used to express insecurity or hesitation. An important aspect of doubting oneself is learning how to overcome it. Here are a few tips. Acknowledge your feelings. Recognize that it's okay to have doubts. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or mentors who can provide encouragement. Focus on your strengths. Remember past successes and your unique skills. In different cultures, the expression and handling of self-doubt can vary. In some cultures, expressing self-doubt is seen as a sign of humility, while in others, it might be viewed as a lack of confidence. Understanding the phrase, doubt oneself, is not just about its literal meaning, but also about recognizing the emotions and situations associated with it. Remember, experiencing self-doubt is a natural part of life, and it's how we respond to it that truly matters. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you navigate the complexities of the English language with greater confidence. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.